In the class of the prophetic, there is the betting prophet. Prophet that bets. B-I-R-T-H. The betting prophet comes with a corrosive anointing to begin a thing. It's called the pathfinding anointing to begin something. You know what those people can do? The betting prophet. Let me show you. Do you know Paul said, my little children in whom I travel again until Christ be formed in them. The word again means he's doing it another time, which means he did it before to bring them in. So he betted these people. Now, he's now praying another prayer, not like the first one, but this time around for Christ to be formed. The betting prophet has a grace to foresee a child whom the Lord is calling, or one who has an aura, the oil of ministry, and not just any kind of ministry, the prophetic, betting you in the prophetic. He can sense it and see that this one has this and this one has this and bring him. Now, the betting prophet is different from the mentoring prophet. There is the mentoring prophet. The mentoring prophet is not the one that betted you, but now he's an assumed father because of situation.